Hello everyone, introducing the Konjac sponge, a product of Preeminence. The Konjac potato or Konjac is a perennial plant native to Asia and can be found growing wild at very high altitudes. Konjac sponges were originally used by the Japanese to keep their skin smooth and clean. They are made out of the konjac root, a type of vegetable that naturally acts as a cleansing soap. This konjac sponge set gives you numerous benefits for your skin. To use, simply soak the sponge for about 10 to 20 minutes, allowing it to expand and soften. If this is your first time using it, give the sponge a squeeze to release excess water and then add your go-to cleanser. From there, use the sponge to gently scrub your face in circular motions. Once cleansed and satisfied, rinse out the sponge and hang it to air dry overnight. Now I'm going to use the konjac sponge to demonstrate on how to remove makeup and cleanse your face. The konjac sponge works to gently exfoliate your skin, sloughing away dead skin cells, giving skin a smooth and glowy complexion. The more you use the sponge, the more pronounced the effects will be. It can be used all over your body. They are a natural, eco-friendly product. It's 100% biodegradable and it's compostable. These sponges are great for all skin types. They work well for dry or oily skin and help sensitive skin in all aspects. Also, they make great makeup removers. The konjac sponge made my skin feel so smooth. Gently squeeze the sponge until water is gone. Leave it a little damp. Do not let it completely dry. Put the sponge in a well-ventilated area or store it in a sealed plastic baggie. You can also refrigerate it. Thank you for watching my video of the Japanese konjac sponge. I hope you enjoyed it.